So in this problem we have to solve for x. So we have x raised to the power x raised to the power 4 is equals to 64. Now how will you solve this problem? So you see, in this case I see one term, that is x raised to the power 4, and another term we have, that is x. So what we can do, we can convert this x as x raised to the power 4, then I can have some similar and then we can solve. So my target is to convert this x as x raised to the power 4. So for that purpose what we will do, let us raise a power 4 both sides. So we will have x raised to the power x raised to the power 4 and whole power 4 is equals to 64 raised to the power 4. Now if you remember, we have a rule in exponent, and that is a raised to the power m and raised to the power whole n is equals to a raised to the power mn, and which is also equals to a raised to the power n raised to the power whole m. So now I will use this rule. So if I use this rule, this 4 will come inside. So we will have x raised to the power 4 times x raised to the power 4 is equals to 64 raised to the power 4. Now if I use the next part of the rule, that is this part, then we can further rewrite. This will become x raised to the power 4 raised to the power x raised to the power 4 is equals to 64 raised to the power 4. Now I can see this x raised to the power 4, and here I also have x raised to the power 4. So what I can do is, we can assume that t is equals to x raised to the power 4. So if I put this value, then I will have, this is t raised to the power t is equals to 64 raised to the power 4. Now let us focus on the right side. Now we have 64 raised to the power 4. Once again we want to convert same thing, t raised to the power t. This means I want 64 and 4, these to be same number. So how we can do that? And this can be done easily. So t raised to the power t is equals to 64 can be written as 8 raised to the power 2. So this is nothing but 8 raised to the power 2 and raised to the power 4. Now if you remember this rule, that is a raised to the power m raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power m times n. So if I apply here, what we will have? 4 will come inside. So we will have t raised to the power t is equals to 8 raised to the power 8. This means t is what? Now if you, either you can take log or you can simply equate t, and here I have 8. Here I have t and here I have 8. So t is equals to 8. So I can say in this case t is equals to 8. And what was t originally? T was nothing but x raised to the power 4. So now I can say x raised to the power 4 is equals to 8. This implies x is equals to 4th root of 8. So we will have plus minus sign. So x is equals to, in this case, plus minus 4th root of 8. So this is the solution for this problem, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.